Somewhere between 2023 and now, your data career quietly changed the entire job description. No memo, no warning, just AI became part of your job quietly. If you are a data scientist, data engineer, or a data analyst, you're standing in the middle of biggest upgrade cycle the industry has ever seen. Data science used to mean building predictive models and tuning parameters. Nowadays, you are training systems that understand language, reason through problems, and generate outputs that feel almost human. Transformers, diffusion models, agent frameworks, this is sci-fi territory. But you are the one writing it. Data engineering, same story. Pipelines, ETL, Spark, all are still important. It's the same foundation, but the building on top just got a 20-story upgrade. The people who understand how to build with it, they are the ones shaping where data roles go next. And the tier 1 companies are quietly raising the bar what AI ready actually means. We are going to break down why this shift is happening and what recruiters are actually looking for. Look at any data role today. There's a hidden pattern. Job descriptions that used to say Python, SQL, dashboards are slowly fading away. RAG pipelines, vector databases, model fine-tuning, orchestration frameworks, multi-agent systems. These aren't buzzwords, these are filters. Recruiters scan for them like they used to scan machine learning 5 years ago. The interview process has also leveled up. It's not about walk me through a join or tell me about regularization. Now the questions are, what's your strategy to reduce hallucination in a multi-agent flow? Or how would you design a retrieval pipeline? How do you pick between Pinecone, VVA, or an in-house store? It's very practical and AI forward. And the reason is simple. AI is now tied to speed, efficiency, and revenue. Google needs agents that self-correct at scale, wherein Amazon needs agents that automate decisions in real time, while Meta needs agents that reason over messy signals responsibly. So top tech companies don't just want people who know AI, they want people who can build, deploy, and explain it. And that's where Interview Kickstart comes in and helps you to build the muscle that gets you hired. We'll help you transform to become an engineer who understands the impact, not just mere implementation. And one reality, people who are well versed with AI systems ground up are the ones companies compete for. And if that's where you want to be, the path is right here. Connect with our career advisors and get a one-on-one consultation call today.